Hello guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you guys how I prepare this delicious tilapia pepper soup. If that sounds something interested, keep watching. I have crayfish powder, pepper soup spices, and I have 1 tomato, a little bit of bell pepper, onion and scotch bonnet pepper. I have ginger garlic paste, 1 seasoning cube, some salt to taste, and tilapia fish. I'm sorry for the quality of this video guys. The weather is so cold these days, there is no natural lighting. I added all the pepper into the blender and I will go ahead and add 2 teaspoons of ginger and garlic paste. I will add the pepper soup spice and I will go ahead and add 2 tablespoons of crayfish powder. I added the seasoning cube and I will add some salt to taste and I will add 2 cups of water and I will go ahead and blend it. In a wide pan, I will go ahead and place the fish and I will strain all the ingredients on the fish. You can actually pour all the peppers like this without straining it, but I just want to strain it because I don't want the pepper soup to be very thick. I want it very light. That is why I'm straining it. This is optional. You don't have to strain it. I added 1 extra cup of water to the soup. If you don't like too much water in your pepper soup, you can reduce the amount of water that you will use to cook it. And for this recipe, you can also use catfish, you can use goat meat as well, you can also use shaki, aka cow tribe, you can also use chicken as well. This has been cooking for over 10 minutes now. I will gently flip to the other side so the other side can cook as well. At this point, I tasted for salt and I needed to add a little bit. So I go ahead and add a little bit of salt and I'll cover and continue to cook. At this point, the pepper soup is done. If you want to add scent leaf, go ahead and add scent leaf at this time and turn off the heat immediately. But I'm not going to add scent leaf. This is how we want it today. You can have this pepper soup with some boiled white rice. You can also have it with eko. I don't know the English name of eko. Please, if you know it, write it in the comment section. You can also have it on its own. I have mine on its own and it's super delicious. If you like the video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe for more recipe. Also share. See you guys in my next video.